I'm a red chicken.
Are you ready, Vanoss? This is it.
Get ready. Get ready.
Let's take it easy on Vanoss.
Oh shit! This is the map from the Matrix. This is like the Matrix.
Oh yeah, just with better physics.
Come here.
Give him that pylon.
Get out of here.
You get the hell off me. You get the fuck off me. Oh my god!
Yeah.
Guys, I'm dead. No! Oh, we're both dead.
What the fuck is going on? Did you see that piece of fruit roll up fly across the screen? Wait, how come my camera's so far away and to the right?
Because you gotta go kill this dinosaur that's dead over here.
Oh yeah, hold on. There's a dead dinosaur over here. What you want to do with it?
Wait, pick him up.
Alright, I got him.
That bitch up. How do you pick him up? How do I
He's
pick him
holding
up?
on to the ground.
Get off of me.
So
Well, let me try. Hold on, let me try. Get the fuck away. Hold on. Put me down! Fuck! Hey, let me pick him up. Let me pick him up. Listen. Stop! You're such a bully.
He's mine. I'm picking him
No,
up.
he's mine. I want him.
He's mine.
Give it to me.
He's not even dead.
Let go. That's what you get for being so greedy.
Vanoss, pick him up and throw him onto the train tracks.
He's attached to the. Oh god.
shit.
I got. How do
You gotta get up, grab, and then A again. There you go. There you go.
Come on.
Put yourself up. Get
Yeah. I did it! I did it! Oh, now I have to just wait for the train.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah! Victory!
Hey! You leave my pylon alone.
Gonna do dirty things to these pylons back here.
Yeah, we're gonna do the nasty to this pylon right here. Yeah. Hey, get away from my pylon! Get back! This is my pylon!
I'm trying to put the pylons in a pile.
No!
I'm trying to clean up.
No! Get off of this damn stairs!
Fuck you! Oh shit! Oh god, we gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here right now.
We gotta go.
Right fucking now.
We gotta go. I made it!
I didn't make it!
I made it!
Fuck!
I am the winner!
Holmes humping the fucking shit out of that pylon. You're doing it.
He's violating your pylon!
I love your pylon!
It's my fucking pylon!
That's pylon control.
Get off of me! It's my pylon! You son of a bitch! God!
How dare you?
Yeah, you know what, Delirious? It's my pylon now.
No, I'm not going anywhere! You can't make me! You can't make me!
Gonna hit you with the stanky leg, motherfuckers.
Please, no go. No go. I'm just
Pylons are all gonna be mine.
Oh my god!
Shit, no.
Nogla just took a nap.
Wake up! Wake up, your pylons! Yeah!
Wake up! Wait, this is like the Matrix. Wake up, Neo. Wake up.
Yeah! Take it, pylon! Take it! Take it, pylon!
Come on, get up, Neo!
God, the pylon!
Come on! Kick his ass!
It's mine! Oh god!
Kick his ass! Kick his ass! Yeah, you pylon rapist!
I'll bring you back to your family.
It's my pylon, please!
Yeah!
I'm still alive! What? I'm dead. I died. The fucking train hit me, knocked me out. I'm dead.
Wake up, Delirious, come on.
What are you doing to that pylon?
Oh, baby, shake it.
Stealthy mode.
Get back here, Delirious.
Stealthy mode. No, you go away.
Get back
Go.
here.
I got you. You're mine now.
You dick! No!
No, you're mine.
No!
Stop.
No! Oh, you wanna dance?
Oh, you wanna
dance?
go?
You wanna
You wanna
dance?
go? Let's go
You wanna
dance.
dance? You wanna dance? You wanna dance? Fuck!
Rocket!
Hey!
How do I throw him? How do I throw him?
Let go.
Doc,
Going to
it's like
damn
a
wall.
freaking Hulk over here. What the hell?
Fuck it. You're going down. You're going down with me. No, you're going down with me. Yeah! That was epic. Wait, what? He's still alive. He's still alive. The dinosaur's still alive. What the fuck? Delirious. Your ass is stretched across my screen. Oh shit. 1v1.
1v1.
Okay, pylon fight. Wait, how do I?
Hit him with it.
Yo,
Hit him with the pylon.
Bitch, where you going?
And this is how they mate. This is the mate dance right here.
You got your arms around each other now, like best buds.
You're legitly dancing right
Die, motherfuck you! Go!
Whoa!
Oh, you knocked him out.
Nice, Bruce Lee.
Come on.
Oh, this is like the last scene of The Matrix.
Alright, go!
Hey, get
Jump,
out.
jump, you gotta pull
Jump,
yourself
chicken man.
up.
I'm trying.
Flap your wings.
I'm trying.
Flap your
Don't
wings.
throw that shit. I'm trying. Why?
Flap your wings, that's
Yes,
it!
I'm back.
That's it!
I'm back. Oh yes!
Shit!
Yes!
Goodbye,
Yes! Yeah!
You did it, chicken.
Oh, watch out, Delirious. Watch out. Watch out. You better
No.
duck down.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Oh, get your ass out of my face.
Yeah, just, oh God.
Listen, Nogla,
What?
get up. Fight me like a man, alright?
This is it, man. Just clothesline.
You know what? Fuck you guys. Fuck you guys.
Yeah, fuck you. Okay.
Fuck this game.
Got you, Evan. You're not going anywhere.
Thank you.
Nope's got me.
Oh, shit.
We've all got each other.
Oh,
Just
shit.
hold on.
This is a trust exercise.
Oh shit. Guys, I dare y'all to swing off. Swing off while you're holding the Evan. Do it.
Holding the Evan.
Yes. Hold it. The chicken
Did
gun.
I fall?
Say the chicken.
No,
Oh, he's still there.
I'm back from the. God, let go of my beak!
He come back from the road.
Oh, come on.
God, fuck it! Oh, holy shit! Holy fucking
Oh,
shit!
this is fucking epic.
It's like y'all are trying to escape the food truck. Save Noble. Someone save Noble.
Oh! Wait, am I alive? Yes, the chicken survives!
Oh, fucking chicken, man.
All about the chicken man, chicken man. All about the chicken man, chicken man. Hey, what are you guys doing?
We're holding on for.
Holding on for what?
Again.
What the hell's going on? What the hell are you doing right now?
Dino,
Drivers.
I'm so fucking hard.
Get down! Get down! Get down!
I died.
What?
Fuck, I'm dead.
How did I?
What the fuck happened? Let's go, bitch. Let's go.
It's you and I.
Let's go. Let's go.
Come down to this. Yeah, you presenting
go.
for me?
Yeah. Yeah! That's right! I had to take it in the ass to win!
What the hell?
That must be the strangest way to ever win in this game. Present yourself sexually on the top of a truck, and the other one gets fucking beat across the fucking face with a sign. Get the chicken!
Oh my god. Why do I
Not
suck,
go
man?
for me! Go for the chicken! No. Fuck the guys!
Fuck you guys! Fuck you guys! I'm getting the fuck out of here!
Fucking chicken can climb!
Get the damn chicken.
Come here, spider chicken! You're going in, you're going into the grinding, boy!
No, you are, bitch!
No,
You are!
no, you are!
No!
No, you are!
Nobody is! Nobody is tonight!
Oh, fuck!
Get off the chicken! Oh my god!
You're so aggressive for someone who's so passive.
Help!
Oh, get a kick!
We gotta kill this damn
You want a
human!
kick?
No! No!
Oh, the chicken's going in! Good!
Yeah!
No,
Yeah! No!
I got him straight
God,
away.
he got me out!
Ooh, we're gonna make some fox up here.
No! Get off me!
Hey, come on now.
No!
Oh, shit. What are you doing? Yeah.
Oh my god.
I can't believe that happened.
Hilarious, we only have one life left.
Yeah, we do. We gotta take out the green and chicken.
No! Oh! What the fuck was that?
Are you serious?
That was one fucking freaky kick.
What the hell happened?
Oh, no, no.
The chicken is flying away.
They're done,
Chicken is
Dino.
flying away.
We extinct now.
The chicken is leaving the coop.
Wanna go, motherfucker? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Let's go, bitch.
Oh, dodged.
Oh, you see that
fuck
kick?
you.
See that kick?
Oh, shit.
See that shit?
Oh,
Kick that shit out of you! I'm gonna kick that shit out of you!
This is why
Fuck
I
you!
ran.
Sit
This is
down!
why I ran.
Stay down! Stay down!
I'm still down.
Stay down!
Here, pick him up! Pick him up and throw him in
He's gonna
something. Holy
hurt
shit!
me. Fuck you!
Still
want
alive.
to do it to fucking
Let's go, bitch! Let's go! Oh! God! Stay in there!
Oh,
see that kick?
chicken just died. It's the natural process of things. Now,
Fucking
come on
asshole.
now.
You
Come on now.
No.
Fight
for your life.
No, I am. I'm fighting.
Fight for your life.
Why you fighting? Oh, the struggle.
Get the fuck out of me. Yes. Yeah.
Stupid chicken. Oh, look at that twerk. Twerk,
Yeah.
chicken, twerk,
Yeah.
twerk, chicken. Hold on.
Grab him by
Yeah.
No, what the fuck are you doing?
What?
I'm trying to twerk here and you're interrupting me.
Having that ass.
What the f?
That ass is mine. That ass is mine. Give me that ass.
gangbang on the chicken.
No!
The chicken gangbang. My God, no glove.
My chicken.
Look, everybody's getting knocked out back and forth right now.
Yeah.
You're done. You're
It's
done.
over. It's over.
I shall own the chicken. The twerking chicken
And
is
surprise,
mine.
motherfucker! Surprise, motherfucker! Surprise,
yeah.
motherfucker!
Wanna
Surprise,
go?
bitch! Surprise!
Chicken,
Surprise!
what?
Kick him in the
Surprise!
nuts.
Go!
That kick was ridiculous. It was like a roundhouse kick backwards. Tail
Get the fuck out of me!
I'm gonna fuck you. I'm gonna fuck you and then I'm gonna fuck you.
Oh!
Oh yeah, chicken.
gotta get up.
Your ass is mine.
No!
You both died.
Good job, Nogla.
Nogla, you gotta beat him 2 times in a row to win.
Easy.
Yeah,
Come on, chicken.
easy, motherfucker. You think it's? You got fucking owned. You got fucking owned.
This guy's a fucking bully, dude. What's up?
Oh shit, he beat the hell out of
the
you.
shit out of you. I'm gonna kick you while you're on the ground.
No, you don't even know. You don't even know what I'm about to do. You don't even know. You don't even know what I'm about to
I'm
do.
not gonna throw him on the ground. I'm just gonna beat him up.
You don't even see this coming. Watch this shit. Watch this shit. See, look, I'm just sleeping. I'm playing dead chicken.
He's playing dead chicken. Look at him.
Dead chicken. I'm playing dead
Chicken
chicken.
now.
I'm playing.
I can see it.
I'm playing dead chicken. I'm still playing dead chicken. I'm still playing dead chicken. I'm still playing dead chicken.
You gotta wake up soon, chicken.
Shake him a little bit. Maybe that'll wake him up.
I'm not waking up anymore.
Shake him up.
Oh, wake up.
Gotcha, bitch.
And I just won.
I got beat by a dead chicken. Fucking
Yeah.
animals, man.
Victorious. Woo.
I would bet if I was you. Yeah.